slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man, MKBHD here for the Ultimate Smartphone Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the iPhone 16 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These are the hottest flagships on the market, packed with cutting-edge tech. We'll break down everything from design to performance, cameras to battery life. By the end, you'll know which phone deserves a spot in your pocket. So buckle up because things are about to get interesting. We'll be putting these phones through rigorous real-world testing. Expect no-nonsense opinions and in-depth analysis. Whether you're a die-hard Apple fan or a Samsung enthusiast, this comparison is for you. Let's dive in and see which phone reigns supreme. Get ready for an epic battle. We'll uncover the strengths and weaknesses of each device. Stay tuned for the verdict and my personal recommendation. First up, let's talk aesthetics. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts Apple's signature sleek design. It has a surgical-grade stainless steel frame and a frosted glass back. The S24 Ultra rocks an Armor aluminum frame with a Gorilla Glass Victus 7 back. Both feel incredibly premium in hand. The iPhone 16 Pro features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It offers a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling. The S24 Ultra boasts a slightly larger 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It also features a 120Hz refresh rate, but with LTPO technology for even smoother scrolling. Both displays are stunning, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The iPhone's display is known for its color accuracy. The S24 Ultra's display offers HDR10+ support for incredible dynamic range and supported content. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro packs Apple's A16 Bionic chip. This beast handles everything you throw at it with ease. The S24 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Both chipsets offer blazing fast performance and efficient power management. In real-world use, both phones fly through everyday tasks. Apps open instantly, games run smoothly, and multitasking is a breeze. We put both phones through demanding benchmark tests, and the results were incredibly close. Battery life is crucial, and both phones deliver. The iPhone 16 Pro provides all-day battery life for most users. The S24 Ultra packs a slightly larger battery, offering even more juice for heavy users. Let's talk cameras, a key aspect for many smartphone buyers. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a triple 12MP camera system. It features a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens for versatile shooting. The S24 Ultra packs a quad-camera setup with a 200MP wide lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 10MP periscope telephoto lens. Both phones capture stunning photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The iPhone 16 Pro excels in computational photography, producing images with natural colors and excellent detail. The S24 Ultra's 200MP sensor captures incredible detail, allowing for impressive cropping capabilities. It also offers incredible zoom capabilities with its periscope telephoto lens. Both phones can record videos in stunning 4K resolution at up to 60 FPS. The iPhone 16 Pro's cinematic mode adds a professional touch to videos. The S24 Ultra's director's view lets you record from multiple cameras simultaneously.